The next participant is Fernando Lizana Moreno from ICE, which is the Institution of Power Electricity in Costa Rica. He's going to tell us why Costa Rica has achieved 98% of renewable energy.
Costa Rica, a small country in Central America with 51,100 square kilometers. Despite its size, it has a universal, supportive, and forefront electric grid. More than 99% of the population has access to electricity, and it is the second country with the highest coverage in Latin America. However, it was not always like this. When the Costa Rican Institute of Electricity was born in 1949, only 14% of the population had access to electricity. Before that, Costa Rican people struggled for decades to have an accessible and quality service. This dream came true thanks to ICE. Its statutory law instructed ICE to provide and guarantee equal power service for the people in Costa Rica, based on clean sources, mainly water. Today, this solidarity call benefits 1 million households, 225,000 businesses, and 9,000 industries. ICE produces 65% of the power in Costa Rica, with 27 energy plants, mostly renewable. The national grid includes 67 substations and 23,700 kilometers of transmission lines. Besides, ICE is in charge of the National Power Control Center, which manages and administers the local demand and exchanges power with the regional market. Thanks to the success on power development, ICE entered the telecommunication market in 1963. Since then, ICE invested heavily in digital exchanges, paid and fixed phones, satellite systems, cellular networks, and internet services. In mobile telephony, its brand, Colby, is the leading operator in the market and serves more than 4 million customers with the fastest and steadiest network in the country. Colby also provides business and entertainment solutions through the internet and paid TV networks. A robust optical fiber network of 20,500 kilometers support these and other digital services. Thanks to its wide experience with infrastructure and electric and telecommunication development, ICE has successfully ventured into projects in Nicaragua, Bolivia, El Salvador, and Panama. Its economic activities correspond to 4% of the Costa Rican gross domestic product, GDP. ICE leads the electromobility and smart cities projects in the country and is taking strong leaps toward new business tracks by strengthening the convergence of its two main services. All of this to provide agile solutions that improve quality of life.
Work with the leaders. ICE Consulting Services. The experience accumulated by ICE for more than 70 years of development has allowed our human team to treasure vast experience and expertise in a wide range of disciplines, thus allowing us to offer services either in a comprehensive or in a specific way. ICE puts at your disposal a group of services and emphasizes that any of them can be adjusted to suit your needs, to the availability of information, to the conditions of your country, energy model, regulations, and climatic conditions. Electrical Infrastructure Project Management. We offer comprehensive consulting services for the management of engineering work in all its stages, from the identification and basic conceptualization of the project to the startup, using the best project management practices. Project management encompasses all stages of the development of an engineering work or the execution of one or some of its stages, depending on the client's needs. Engineering, procurement, and construction services. We can develop infrastructure associated with the generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity. We cover all the stages, including feasibility studies, design, procurement, construction, and commissioning. Our services are provided under the highest quality standards, respecting the best practices of the construction industry, in accordance with an adequate management of health and safety at work and the environment. Modernization and rehabilitation of electrical infrastructure. We can provide a comprehensive management service for reconversion and modernization of electrical infrastructure, power plants, transmission lines, substations, etc., in order to increase the installed capacity, renew the useful life, increase the efficiency, and guarantee the continuity of the business. In geothermal energy, our services include geological, geochemical, and geophysical studies, thermohydraulic characterization, conceptual and numerical modeling, and sustainable geothermal reservoirs development strategies. Also, we can help our clients in the design and supervision of drilling campaigns, completion design of production and reinjection wells, and assistance in management of drilling fluids, cementing, and directional perforation. We also give training services, including training of teams in the fields of knowledge necessary to develop the exploitation of geothermal resources, based on the experience developed in Costa Rica. Energy Resources Assessment. ISE can help electric companies and energy ministries assess the energy resources available in a country or region, defining the total amount of energy that can be used for electricity generation. We have experience in the evaluation of wind, solar, biomass, hydroelectric, and geothermal resources. Renewable energy development. We can help our clients in the assessment of the energy policies associated with the country's electricity generation and the preparation of a national strategy for the development of renewable sources and the transformation of the electric matrix in order to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. ISE also can give services in the formulation of the framework with the planning criteria for the expansion of the power generation, based on public policies and the specific objectives of the destination country, as well as the definition of the roadmap that will give basis for a medium and long-term renewable development strategy. We can help governments and electric companies in the quantification of the emissions of the country's electricity generation matrix. Also, we give consultancy services in the development of a reliable baseline, on which the potential addition or reduction of greenhouse gases achieved by a matrix transformation plan can be determined.
Costa Rica is very proud to be part of this summit on sustainability. It has been great experience and a great participation of many speakers from all over the world, which we hope will have a very good impact on creating the sustainability that the world needs, because we are in a crisis. And we need to correct all of the things and harms that we have done to the earth. So we are very grateful to Ty and to the organization of all this effort that has been made. And we welcome you to go to Costa Rica and pura vida. We hope to see you there.